Along with artificial intelligence, the future is all about quantum computing. I'm very glad to share that Australian government is really focusing hard not only on artificial intelligence but also on quantum computing. They have come up with national quantum strategy which encompasses a lot of futuristic things in terms of embracing the quantum computing. Australia is on the cusp of a transformation driven by advances in this quantum computing, and they are not only looking to add more jobs in quantum computing, but also implementing this new strategy to innovate and modernize the economy, plus support the national interests. In 2030, the goal is that Australia should be recognized as a leader in global quantum industry and quantum technologies are integral to a prosperous, fair, and inclusive Australia. So that is the goal, and we have now only 7 years left as I'm recording this video in 2023. This national quantum strategy is based on extensive consultation with quantum sector and wider community over the last 1 year. This consultation was led by a very popular and legendary Australia's chief scientist, Dr. Cathy Foley, and also it includes submissions, roundtables, working groups, and town hall meetings with a lot of industry experts and other stakeholders. These consultations helped us identify the key efforts and actions needed to realize Australia's quantum opportunity. And we also have something called as National Quantum Advisory Committee, which contributes from all the states and territories to this new National Quantum Advisory. These advisory committee members are not only from CSIRO, they are from various universities like University of Melbourne and then UTS, UNSW, Macquarie University, and a lot of other companies, and also it includes Business Council of Australia. And this National Quantum Advisory Committee is providing strategic advice on growing Australia's quantum sector. Now, for the future reference, the major challenges for this new national quantum strategies are that they are still evaluating how to commercialize the products and how to attract long-term capital. But one thing is very sure that there will be a huge demand of quantum skills in the Australian job market. So if you're looking to get ready for the new wave of highest paying jobs with the fulfilling and challenging work, then quantum computing is the area to focus on. I hope that this was helpful and interesting. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop them in the comment section, and I will also drop the link to this strategies document in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.